Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and use Windows 11 Advanced Clipboard features. So the Windows 11 includes advanced clipboard features that make copying, pasting, and managing text and images more efficient. And this is how you can find and use these features. So to enable the clipboard history, you need to do the steps. The clipboard history features allow you to access multiple copied items instead of just the last one. So you can just open the clipboard settings by clicking on the Windows plus V on your keyboard. So this is the clipboard history, and you can just enable it by going to the settings, or you can just tap on this to turn on. Okay, so now it has been turned on like this. If you want to access it, you can just here click on the press Windows plus V and to open the clipboard history window, and you'll see a list of copied items including text, images, and links. So I only have text in here, and here you can just click on an item to paste it into your current document or app. You can just paste as text, for example. If you want to pin frequently used items, you can pin items you use often to keep them in your clipboard history even after a restart. So open the clipboard history again, and you can just click the pin icon next to an item. This one right here. You can also sync clipboard across devices because Windows 11 allows clipboard content to sync across devices using a Microsoft account. So you can just go to the settings, go to System, and find the clipboard options. This one, and you can just toggle the sync across devices to on. This one, or you can just tap on Get Started if you haven't set it. So you can choose the sync options between automatically sync the text I copy or manually sync text that I copy. If you want to clear the clipboard history, you can clear it by going to the clipboard history again. And here you can click on the three dots menu next to an item and then tap on this delete options. And you can see now the clipboard history will be deleted. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.